What the hell? Bro, that was a bathroom mirror. But turns out it showed a oil pressure low error. So I feel it is better to get it changed. So get the engine oil changed. Because I feel it is less, but I don't want to get Pro Lube engine oil. So I'm going to check with him. I'm going to check with the service center guy. If he says it's okay for another day or two, I will order the Motul one. If not, I don't want to get Pro Lube, man. Because right now what I have is Pro Lube, and I don't think it's a good one. So, okay, let's go to the service center and then get her checked once. I also have have a small issue with the clutch lever where it is like a little too heavy, so it's not smooth. So we can get that one checked as well. And yeah, the front brake again, I don't think I'll get a solution for it, but no harm in telling them to just check it out once. Rolls Royce, bro. God damn it, man. I didn't know there was a Rolls here. Damn. Look at that, man. Bro. Oof, that is too long, man. That's so long. I didn't think it was that long. Damn. The spirit of ecstasy, right? That's the spirit of ecstasy. That looked really nice, man. That was popping out. Man, this is actually a very good service center. The treatment is really nice and they get things done very systematically, like on point, man. They understand what is needed and do it accordingly. I got the clutch adjusted, I got the engine oil replaced and the brake, and they didn't even charge me anything, man. This is a good initiative, man. Honestly, by doing this, at least signal jumps won't happen. Anyone who wants to jump signal will have to go through the kids, man. Yeah, not a good thing, but at least because of this, something gets avoided. Na 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 na, le Guldu. People are fucking bro. Like in a blink, man. That all happened in a blink. I'm watching. Okay, no one's there. That's fine. For a second, I look into the mirror just to see if anyone is behind me because I have to take a left. And I just turn up. He's in front of me, man. Okay, let's go get some work done. I'll see you all in the evening. What the hell? Bro, that was a bathroom mirror. People are using bathroom mirrors as the rear view mirrors, man. Oh my god. Desi Jugaad of the year, man. Oh god. Nice, man, nice. At least he has a mirror. why you shouldn't come from the wrong way is that, man. My brakes are good. I stopped. I turned. He didn't even stop. He was on that constant speed. Ah, people, man. See, these are the city trucks here. Autos. They don't go, they don't let go. On that note, guys, let's. Okay, no. On that note, I take you leave. Let's see you in the next video.